Hello everyone. I am Puneet Kumar DG, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Aid College, Baramasagara. We are discussing the subject Financial Markets and Services in that Module 3 Regulatory Framework. Now let us discuss the present topic, the Reserve Bank of India, its structure and as well as objectives. So the present topic is Reserve Bank of India and its structure. Since the nationalization of Reserve Bank of India, the Reserve Bank is fully owned and operated by the Government of India. The preamble of the Reserve Bank of India describes its basic function of the Reserve Bank as the regulating and issue of banknotes, securing the monetary stability in India, and modernizing the monetary policy framework in for the economic challenges. The Reserve Bank of India has been nationalized in 1949, from that it is completely owned by the Government of India, and it is under the control of Government of India. In the preamble of the RBI, it describes its basic function as the regulating and issue of banknotes. Means in India, completely the banknotes or currencies are printed and circulated through the RBI, and it is going to put forth various policies, measures, and as well as the various laws for the bringing monetary stability in financial markets of India. And also it is taking various measures for modernizing the monetary policy framework in India to bring it to the world class economy. Now let us know where the offices of Reserve Banks of India are located. The headquarters of Reserve Bank of India is permanently located at Mumbai since 1937. There are four zonal offices situated at Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, and Mumbai, representing the South Zone, and as well as North Zone, West Zone, and East Zone, respectively. And along with these four zonal offices, the RBI is having a 31 regional and sub offices at different parts of the country. Now let us understand the structure of Reserve Bank of India. The Reserve Bank of India's affairs are governed by a central board of directors constituted by maximum 21 members. The board is appointed by the Government of India in keeping with the Reserve Bank of India Act of 1935, and the members are appointed or nominated for a period of 4 years. Now let us understand the constitution of Central Board. The Central Board is headed by the official directors. The first official director is the governor, and along with the governor there are four deputy governors can be appointed by the Government of India, and there are non-official directors. The non-official directors are nominated by the government. There will be 10 directors can be nominated by the central government from various fields, and also there are two government officials will be nominated as non-official directors, and there are other four directors, one from each four local zones which are located at Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Delhi, and they will also be appointed as a directors of the central board which is regulating the functioning of the RBI. Governor is the position with the highest authority in the Reserve Bank of India, and the present governor of Reserve Bank of India is Shaktikant Das. Now let us understand the objectives of RBI. The Reserve Bank of India is operating with the following objectives. The first objectives of the Reserve Bank of India is to foster the confidence in internal and external value of rupees and contribute to the macroeconomic stability. The internal value of the rupees, nothing but it is concerned with the money circulation within the country, and RBI is having a sole and whole responsibility of printing and as well as circulation of money within the country. And the external value of the rupees, that is going to be relating to the foreign exchange value. The value of a rupee in international market is going to be stabilized with a various measures which have been taken by the Reserve Bank of India. The second objective is to regulate the markets and institutions under its ambit to ensure financial stability and consumer protection. RBI is the apex body which is regulating the banking system in India. It is going to regulate the various institutions and as well as the various markets which are coming under its ambit under its purview to bring the financial stability, and as well as it is going to take various measures for the protection of interest of the consumer. And the next objective is to promote integrity, efficiency and inclusiveness and competitiveness of the payment system. The RBI is going to bring the integrity among the various financial systems which are operating in India, and as well as it will try to take various measures to improve the efficiency of financial markets in India, and also it is going to take measures to include even the last person of an economy into the financial system of India, and also it will try to take various measures to improve the competitiveness of the payment systems. We can take an example of recent measure which is taken by an RBI to introduce the unique payment interface, that is UPI systems, to make the online payment hassle free and safe for the people of India. So by the introduction of Beam app, the RBI has provided an unique UPI facility for all the people in India. Means even when we are making payments through various the private sector app like Google Pay or Paytm, we can make the payments through the UPI system which has been established by the RBI. So hence our payments are safe and cannot be easily hacked by the some other external parties. Then the next objective is to ensure efficient management of currency and as well as the banking services. Being the central bank and being the banker of all banks, the RBI is taking various measures for the management of currency and as well as the money circulation, and also it is going to take various measures to improve the efficiency of banking services. The next objective is to support balanced, equitable and sustainable economic development of the country. Being a central bank of the country and being the apex institution which is managing the whole financial system of a country, the RBI is taking various policy measures and legal measures and operational measures to bring about the supportive and as well as the balanced, equitable and sustainable economic development in the country. And now let us summarize the whole session. Reserve Bank of India's affairs are governed by the Central Board of Directors, which is constituted by the maximum 21 members who are appointed for a period of 4 years by the central government. The governors, deputy governors and members are nominated or for a period of 4 years, and the governor is the supreme authority in the RBI. The central office of RBI is located at Mumbai with 4 zonal offices at Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata and Delhi, and along with the 31 regional offices which are located at different parts of the country. So now you can refer these books for your further readings. It is Khan M.I. Indian Financial System, Theory and Practice, Tata McGrail publication, E. Gordon and K. Natarajan, Banking Theory, Law and Practice, Himalaya publications, L.M. Bole and Jitendra Mukund, The Financial Institutions and Markets, McGrail publications, Raman B.S. Financial Markets and Services, Chaitanya Bukos publications. I thank everyone for your patience listening, and please kindly comment with your suggestions and as well as queries. Thank you one and all.